think she has it on video.
Yep.
I gotta roll back because I'm gonna hit this if I roll that way.
Your head's gonna hit the small little table too.
Yeah, that's what I'm meaning. Plus that leg isn't in enough. Oh, there's kind of an over and back.
Hmm?
Yeah, well, that was kind of an over and back. It wasn't.
This is a half roll.
It wasn't a complete roll, but.
Well, just bend your leg. Just do it again.
I need that leg to go closer to the other one. Pull them a little bit together there.
You can do it. Push. Lift your left arm up.
I always do the tuck and roll. See, that's the problem right there. They won't stay together. And I don't tuck and roll good enough anymore. The other one's tucked. Is ready to go. Alright, lefty throw, yeah. Come on, lefty, yeah, you want to do it.
Almost there. Just fall on back. You made it. You're not going to hit anything. You're good.
Okay, you can stop recording. Recording now.
How do you do that? Press the red button.
This over.